I'm Yumna Azmeer, and you're watching Imi's ELC, Imi's Early Learning Center. Have you ever thought what it feels like to just sit down and do nothing? I hate doing nothing. It's really boring. Alright friends, I do a lot of things to keep myself busy during this lockdown, and I thought to share some with you. Trust me, they're fun. Apart from online school time, I do a lot of things to keep myself sane, and I help my little brother too, so that he lets everyone in the house stay in peace. Now here's what I do. My all-time favorite, making slime, or playing with kinetic sand or Play-Doh. This helps me build up my imagination and lets me be more creative. And my mom also tells me that it's a good exercise for my motor skills. Next on the list is art. Oh, I love doing art. Me and my brother make masterpieces. It could get a little messy, but it's really fun. Tip number 3, cooking. Yes, you heard me right. It's cooking. Guess what? Now I can make my own food, like sandwiches or noodles or pancakes and a whole variety of beverages. Hold on! This might need a little bit of adult supervision, just to be on the safe side. Now here's a tip that will make you relax your mind and soul. Reading. So find a quiet place. You could take some hot chocolate to drink and some popcorn to eat. Now pick a book and start reading. This could make you learn a lot of new and interesting things. Finally, the best one, exercising. Yes, friends, running, jumping, skipping, or you could even do my favorite, skating. All this will make you as fit as a fiddle. I hope you all won't be bored anymore. Use your time wisely, enjoy, be productive, and most importantly, stay safe. Like my video, comment below, and subscribe to Imi's ELC. Thank you for watching.